You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American athlete, Olympic athlete. If you want to learn more confusing names from the Olympics, more American champions names that can be a bit confusing, stay tuned. Grant Holloway. Grant, American English pronunciation, Grant Holloway. How to pronounce Grant Holloway. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.